In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror switch in this Volkswagen Beetle. It's located on the door panel. Let's get into it. We're going to take this part of the handle off. There's a little cover right here. Just use a trim tool, get underneath and on the sides and pop it out. There is some clips that should hold that in. They're a little bit broken on this. Take a Phillips head screwdriver, take the screws out. There's one here, and there's also one right there. Slide those out. Underneath, there is two screws. You want to take those out. I'm going to use a T20 socket. Take those screws out. Oh, that's three. And using a trim tool, just go around the perimeter of the door panel. Just pop it out. There's some push pins holding it in. Grab it and slide it up. And we'll disconnect the cable that goes to the inside handle. Just pull it out, and then there's a hook. You're going to release the hook. Just like that. The connector right here. Push down on the tabs, slide the connector off. There's another one down here where the light is. I'm just going to use a screwdriver to push in on the tab. Slide that out. Over here there's two connectors. You can disconnect the connectors over here. Just using a trim tool to help disconnect the connectors. They're a little bit tight in there. And if you follow the wiring over here, there's a couple more connectors. Just push down on the tabs. Slide those off. And same with over here. And the door panel comes right out. Now we're going to disconnect this switch. Just use a pick. Just get underneath here. There's a little clip. All right, just pull that up and just pull it from the front slightly on both sides. It's just clipped in. And just push it down and it comes right out. Now we'll take the switch, the new switch, and slide it in place, lock it down. Now connect all the connectors. And the connectors over here. Those are locked in. The inside door handle. Take that rod, that cable, line that up. It goes through there. Then you got a couple connectors over here. And it'll snap in place, and then down below. Lock that in. And go over the lock rod. Line that up. We're going to go on the top first. Get it in the window molding. Get that lined up. And tap the door panel in place. And put these screws in underneath. Just snug those down. And put these two screws in. And just snug those down. Take this cover, line it up, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.